In a small village nestled between rolling hills, there lived a blacksmith named Luca. Known for his skill and unwavering calm, Luca was often sought after for advice on more than just forging iron. His secret was not in the strength of his arm, but in the quiet strength of his mind. One winter, a fierce storm swept through the village, bringing heavy snow and biting winds. The villagers, fearing for their homes, came to Luca in a panic. "What should we do?" they asked, their voices trembling. Luca, with his usual composure, led them to his forge. "First," he said, "we must accept what we cannot control. The storm is beyond our power to change." Villagers exchanged puzzled glances, but they trusted Luca. As the wind howled and snow piled high, Luca calmly worked on his forge, melting metal and shaping it with practiced ease. The villagers, observing his calm demeanor, began to relax. Next, Luca focused on what was within their control. He gathered everyone and divided them into teams. One group reinforced homes with timber, another cleared paths to keep vital supplies accessible, while a third made sure everyone had enough food and warmth. As the days passed, the storm eventually subsided. The village was intact, and the people were safe. They marveled not just at their survival, but at how their unity and Luca's serene guidance had made the ordeal manageable. Years later, when another storm came, the villagers faced it with the same stoic mindset they had learned from Luca. They knew that while they couldn't control the storm, they could control their responses and support each other through it. So, they lived with a quiet strength that made even the harshest winters bearable.